Hey guys, it is now Friday. We are off to see Jonathan Van Ness at Radio City. If you don't know who he is, I don't know what you're doing with your life. He's hilarious.
It means that you need to stop whatever you're doing
and follow him on Instagram.
And go watch
for
Queer
sure.
Eye.
Go watch Queer Eye. Follow him on Instagram because he's learning how to ice skate and it's the greatest thing ever. And I really hope he shows us how he ice skates and he's learning gymnastics and he's just an overall gem to the world. So we are off to do that. I don't know if we're gonna be able to film anything in there. My guess is gonna be no, but we'll see. Yeah, we both still don't feel good. I did have a virtual doctor's appointment today and I got an antibiotic because I woke up today with my throat hurting and my congestion and stuff coming back. Ashley still doesn't feel good.
This is
We're
just
a hot mess.
2 for me though.
Yeah, this is day 12 for me. So yes. So that's that. Then tomorrow's our normal Saturday. Oh, we're having happy hour with Guess.
I hope it's happy.
I hope so too. Yeah, it's literally same. Okay. Because her throat hurts. I coughed a lot of the show, but it's fine. Getting better. It was so good. He had 2 other comedians there as well. They did their stand-up. Everybody went for about 30 minutes. So good. Jonathan's hilarious. Love him to death. Oh yeah, he did some gymnastics. I was really hoping they would bring out a portable ice rink and he would get on to do that. I was really hoping for that. Michelle Kwan was there and Anthony was there and it was all sorts of fun. I loved it. I'm starving because I didn't eat dinner and so I'm going to be terrible and I'm going to make some mac and cheese at, I don't know what time it is, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to make it because tomorrow's Saturday. That's right. That's all you have to say. Real life, this is our apartment right now. The light bulb up there just went out, so that's why it's dark. This is our counter. We stopped at CVS and got junk food. So I got some Doritos and a Dr. Pepper because that's my favorite junk food combination and one that I have not had in probably a good 5 years. So I feel like I'm due, especially I don't feel good. It's kind of like my comfort blanket. We also have a box of oatmeal that Alex ordered from Amazon. We have these clear plastic containers that I think came out of Shelby's room and for some reason they're sitting on the counter. We have my order of LaCroix that is halfway opened that I think Shelby put some of it in the fridge earlier, but the rest is still sitting on the counter. We have dirty dishes. Oh no, these are clean dishes. We have dirty dishes in the sink because the dishwasher is clean and needs to be emptied, but nobody has done it yet today because we've been so busy. We have cleaner because Shelby got a nosebleed earlier and had to clean some of that off of her shirt. I have Theraflu. We have chips. We just have a whole lot of chaos going on. We're having people over tomorrow, so we need to clean in the morning. So I'm going to eat my junk food. We're going to watch an episode of Grey's Anatomy from this week that we haven't watched. So in addition to my Doritos and Dr. Pepper combo, I'm also going to make some Theraflu. Because this is a wild Friday night over here. Good morning! I guess actually good afternoon because it is 1:03 p.m. on Saturday. We've had a pretty busy morning. I got up, showered, got ready. Shelby and I filmed a video and then she headed off to a workout class and I have been tasked with cleaning up the kitchen. That giant mess that I showed you guys last night, still there. So I'm gonna tackle that here in a second. First, I'm going to scrounge up something to eat because I'm a little hungry and I haven't had anything to eat today, and it is 1 o'clock. So I'm gonna eat a little lunch and clean, jam out to some music, try to make it fun, and then I have some errands I need to run. So, and this is what Poppy is up to. I wish I was doing that. Music on shuffle as I've been cleaning. Listen to what song just came on. This is a throwback. Anyways, so cleaning has been completed, I think. I think Shelbs is gonna do the bathroom when she gets back. I think Al's gonna do the floors, and we're tag teaming, and yes. So I think I'm going to go run the couple errands I need to run. I need to get some more tequila. I need to get a light bulb for the kitchen. I need to get something else that Shelby told me to get at Dwayne Reed, and I forgot. Oh no, I'll have to text her. But I have some errands to run, so I'm gonna get some shoes on and go do that. All right, hello. It is now 5:45. Kesley and Danielle are about to come over, but we have like our little spread. I should have showed you guys earlier, but I forgot. But I made these crackers, and it's literally just saltines, oil, a packet of dry ranch, and red pepper flakes, and you shake it all together in like a 2-gallon bag. Yeah, it's too dark. Yeah. So I made these to have, and then we have a red salsa, a green salsa, some chips. Ashley's going to make her margaritas. I bought some little Gerber daisies ready to go. Ashley looks super cute in this dress, so then I felt like I needed to put on a dress. My hair is so dirty, it's ridiculous. I did not have time to wash it after Sculpt Society. Just had time to wash my body. So this is a product of dry shampoo and texture spray. That's all this is. You excited? Yeah, I just need to rinse out my cup, but you're standing in my way. So the night has ended. We have had such a great time. I'm wearing the Summer Fridays overtime mask right now because I just feel like my skin needed some exfoliation. I'm making some tea. I don't think I ever updated, really. I think I kind of said, but on Friday when Ashley started feeling sick, I started feeling like... Did she just put your iPad off?
Yeah.
I started feeling like I was getting like a cold again, like my throat started hurting, I was starting getting congested again. So through like NYU like medical center, you can do like a virtual like doctor's appointment for like non-emergency things. So I called in and they gave me an antibiotic, so I've been on that now for a little over 24 hours and I'm feeling so much better, which is good. I barely have to blow my nose anymore. I'm still coughing a little bit, so I'm still taking a cough medicine with it. Ashley, how are you feeling?
Well, I'm a bug therapy, so.
But she made her apple cinnamon Theraflu and it smelled really good, so I'm gonna make this apple and blackcurrant green tea. I apologize, you cannot get this here. I bought it in England, and when we go to Whole Foods in England to get more reusable bags, because it's my favorite ones ever, I literally put that on the itinerary to go to Whole Foods. I'm going to get more of this tea because I really enjoy it, and they have other flavors that have different vitamins.
2 years ago?
Yeah. It probably doesn't work very well anymore. I don't know how long tea lasts. I feel like tea lasts a long time.
I don't know.
I don't know. It says it's green tea blended with milk thistle, dandelion root, ginseng, and added B and C vitamins, all blended with natural fruit flavors.
What is milk thistle?
I don't know. Yeah. So that's it for us tonight. I think we're gonna watch. I did not. I need to put my tea in the thing. These are little micro Gerber daisies that I bought at Whole Foods today, and I actually put them in this little mason jar, and they're so cute. Yeah, we're gonna watch a TV show, and then we're all really tired, so we're gonna go to bed. I signed up for spin and Pilates tomorrow, and I was gonna decide tonight which one I wanted to do, and I think I'm gonna do spin because my body needs it. Because I ate mac and cheese this afternoon. I didn't make it last night. You missed that whole thing?
Yeah.
That was like my dinner, lunch situation.
Poppy, why won't you sit with me? Come here.
Sorry. All right. See you tomorrow. Hi everyone. So it is now Sunday afternoon. It is 2:40 p.m. I went to spin this morning. It was great. Ashley did yoga. Why is this so red? Ugh, my face is a mess. Anyway, I just took a shower and I just tried a new tanning product. I actually tried it on my legs last weekend to see like how it would work with my body, and it turned out really well. So this time I tried it all over. We'll see if I did it evenly. I'm usually not like a tan junkie. I am a very pale person, and I have learned to embrace that. But sometimes I look at myself in the mirror and I'm like, you look sickly. Like, I'm so pale that I just like feel like I need a tiny bit of color. So I tried the Isle of Paradise tanning drops that everyone talks about, and they're like sold out forever. I actually tried to get them a couple months ago, and I ordered them from Sephora and then said it was delivered here, but it wasn't. But then they were sold out again, so they could only refund me. They couldn't like send me another one. And then they came back again, so I ordered them, and that's where we're at. So it takes like a good like 10 to 12 hours I think to develop, so we'll see in the morning how it looks. But right now I'm going to make some food. I'm gonna kind of like meal prep for the week a little bit. Our mom is coming in on Friday, so I just need stuff for Monday through Thursday. So I'm going to make a sweet potato and poblano pepper soup, which I'm super excited about. So I need my 2 poblano peppers and 2 sweet potatoes. Oh, what I didn't mention about those tanning drops is you mix them in with lotion. So you just like get lotion in your hand and put a few drops on them and put it on your body. That's how it works. So it's really easy, and like it goes into your body really easily. It dries quickly. That's not the correct term. It doesn't really smell. When I did it last week on my legs, I smelled it a little bit for the next, like I don't smell it on me now, but once it develops a little bit, I feel like I smelled it for like a couple hours and then it was gone and never again. Anyway, back to the soup. 1 shallot, let me see. I need cumin, which is somewhere right here. Cumin, smoked paprika. We like this one from TJ's. Sea salt. It calls for chicken stock, but I'm going to use a vegetable stock. Also, we just added this to our fridge because Aunt Debbie, our mom, is Poppy's like favorite person on earth. So she's doing a countdown for when Aunt Debbie is coming into town. Yeah, I think that's all the ingredients actually. The sea salt, vegetable stock, and then you can top it with like sour cream, red onion, or cilantro if you want, but that is it. So I'm going to chop up this stuff and get it going on the stove, and then I'm also going to make those vegetable little like nugget things that I love. So I bought the things for that, carrot, zucchini, all of that, but I'm gonna do this first and get it on the stove, and then I'm going to prep that stuff. Also, as always, I'll put this recipe down below if you guys want to try it. I think it'll be really, really good, so I'm excited. Game of Thrones has officially started. We are about to start it. We're just doing a little pre-Game of Thrones farming. We were watching Killing Eve first, and I'm hoping that we're still going to be able to, wait, let's pull it up. I'm also going to have ice cream. Show them my ice cream that I bought that I'm really excited to try.
Got this ice cream.
They had 3 different flavors. It's like an oat milk ice cream. Oh my god, Susan David's on here! Ah! 65 minutes.
Oh, that's not that long.
No.
Are you ready to watch Game of Thrones? That was really cute. She's looking at herself in the camera, by the way.
I'm ready.
Ready?
Yes.
Ready? Anticlimactic. Play!
Pay
Yeah!
attention to the map. Shelbs are good at the map.
Okay. Are you sure it's up all the way?
Yes!
Shelbs, look, it's down.
I know, it's the
down.
wall. I know.
It's down. This is like a new...
It is new, it's cool.
Is that winter time? Oh wait, what was that?
Shelbs, you're supposed to be telling me to
Okay,
map.
I'm
The
sorry.
map is your thing.
It's just been a couple years since we've seen the map. We're a little rusty with our navigation. Oh, okay.
It's over. It was so good. Oh, it was so good. It was pretty short though. I think because it was only an hour, but I think the next episodes are like longer. My prediction is there's one more and then the battle starts.
Yeah. It's gonna be good.
We
So
have-
happy it's back.
We have theories. We talked about them with Kesley and Danielle last night. And we all kind of agree on who we think is going to be on the Iron Throne without knowing anything that happens this season. Right?
Yeah. We're blurry. It's dark. I don't want to turn the light on. But happy
Sorry.
happy it's back. Poppy! Do you guys hear that? Oh my god. It's so blurry.
Frenchy gas is a real thing, guys.
Alright, well since we are just giant blurs, we'll talk to you later. Bye!